Take a circle with radius r. To measure the length of the circle, let's transform the circle into a line. Now let's measure the line we got from the circle with that radial line. Since the measurement of the radius is r, we start counting it by r, 2r, 3r, 4r, 5r, 6r. Here we can see only a small part of the curve is left, which is approximately 0.28318530 first calculated by Archimedes. This gives 2r into 3 plus 0.14159265 equal to 2r into 3.14159265, which gives the value 2 pi r. Hence it is proved that perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r.